health of 115. A little bit more of a bark, I think. Your ears are going to be snappy because you have the 115. I have 124. Honestly, not that huge of a sound difference.
Hi, Courtney.
Not a huge report today. I don't know how many rounds are left in that. Apparently none. Oh no, there's some. Sure, just right. I'll fix it. Ouch, that's hot. Okay. Round stuck in it. Oh yeah, here's that.
But wait, it's a 22.
But wait, it's a 22.
Yeah, you can shoot.
I think this needs to be cleaned.
Probably.
There you go, Tracy. I'll try it.